Welcome back, art enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of metal art. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the intricate craftsmanship and boundless creativity that goes into creating stunning metal sculptures. Metal art decor can add a modern and sophisticated touch to any space. It can range from abstract sculptures to intricate wall hangings. One idea is to use metal art as a focal point in a room, such as a large metal wall sculpture above a fireplace or a metal art installation in the center of a room. Another idea is to incorporate smaller metal art pieces throughout a space, like metal wall sconces or decorative metal accents on furniture. Metal art can also be used outdoors to enhance a garden or patio area, such as metal sculptures or wind chimes. The versatility of metal art allows for endless possibilities in incorporating it into your home decor. Metal art decor can also be customized to fit your personal style and preferences. You can work with metal artists or artisans to create a unique piece that complements your existing decor or reflects your individual taste. Metal art can be made from various metals such as steel, aluminum, copper, or bronze, allowing for different textures, colors, and finishes to be incorporated into the design. Additionally, metal art can be functional as well as decorative, with options like metal shelving units, metal room dividers, or metal light fixtures. Incorporating metal art decor into your home can create a sense of modernity, elegance, and sophistication. It can also add visual interest and dimension to a space, making it more dynamic and engaging. Whether you prefer minimalist and sleek designs or intricate and ornate pieces, metal art decor offers a wide range of options to suit your aesthetic preferences. Consider exploring different styles and techniques in metal art to find the perfect pieces that will enhance and elevate your home decor. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey into the world of metal art. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep embracing the beauty that art brings to our lives.